Hello everyone, it's nice to see our viewers again, and I want to thank you everyone to liking my previous video. I've got a lot of appreciations. People have come up given me feedback. They have liked what I have done and how the interaction was, and it's really nice to see now people and friends are coming up and supporting me and liking the video and subscribing to my upload channel. And it's a great response that I've been getting, and people are leaving a comment as well on that video, which is making our purpose so engaging that we can actually now engage with our viewers now who have been commenting. And next up, it's something we have been listening and there is a lot of buzz going on about. Let's see and check out what do we have on the next video today. Okay, ever since the work from home culture has actually started, we are doing our conferencing and all the video calls over Zoom app and other applications as well, like Google Meet, Microsoft Meet. We're using Skype and we're using WebEx, doing a lot of online video conferencing call for different purposes. In that now, the people have started using the Zoom app on a large basis than any other application, where a ministry has questioned using the Zoom application, where it is being speculated that using the Zoom application invites a threat of a security, where if you are using a Zoom application or a Zoom video call, your data and the security is in threat. Over this speculation, over this news, now we are seeing a lot of different companies now creating a different platform for video calling platform, along with where you can see the Google and Microsoft and other companies have been rolling their updates periodically, where on the last video we saw how WhatsApp increased the participant from 4 participants to 8 participants, where in Google Duo it was 8 participants, now increased to 12 participants, where that's where the buzz is running about. And how come Jio left behind? It is not something possible. So now we have heard a news from Jio. They have officially unveiled Jio Meet application. Yes, this is going to be the new app we're going to see on our phone, on our PCs, on our different devices very soon, where you can download this Jio Meet on your devices and start doing a video and conferencing call using this application. What the Jio is planning is they are not only focusing over the video conferencing call, they are also focusing towards health sector and the education sectors as well, where along with a video call you can also be able to set up an appointment with many doctors and institution over the video conferencing, where in future a lot of education platform will be using the Jio Meet, including so many participants, where I'm going to tell you how many participants can actually be added and how we can register for this application. In this Jio Meet application, it's going to be available for all the iOS platform. You can download in an app store, you can download in Google Play Store, and you can also download in Microsoft Store as well. Along with this application side, it is also available for the web version as well, where you can simply type www.jiomeet.com. Once the page is loaded, you will see a tagline there: thank you for showing your interest, where it is under process and it's going to be launched soon. So there are two kind of subscriber now. One is the free one. In the free one, you will be able to add 5 participants over the video call. And the second platform is the paid one, where you can add up to 100 participants on this video conferencing platform, which is Jio Meet. one of the best thing that we have also found and got to know, you will also have a video adjustment feature in this Jio Meet where you can also adjust a quality according to your network or internet performance. If a person has got a low network zone or the network is not that good, he can downgrade the video quality where he can still be able to continue over the video call, where we might have seen a lot of application when we use over internet, it gets disconnected when you do not have a proper connection. You can easily register for this application using your mobile number and your email address. And this is gonna be really fun using this new application. And since it's an Indian application, so of course all of us gonna be downloading this application, where majority of us are a Jio user. We use a lot of Jio application. So of course we're gonna give it a try for that and using this platform for all our purposes. Well, that was it now. And we're gonna have a great different content video next time. Until then, I'm gonna thank you everyone for subscribing to my upload channel, and I would request you to like this video. If you have liked my work, please subscribe to my channel and share it if you think you need to cascade this information to your friend, family, or your colleagues. Do not hesitate to share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and be well.